Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use student discount on Flipkart. The first step is to find a student discount platform that includes Flipkart in its list of partners. Uni Days is a popular choice, but there may be others depending on your location. Once you've identified a suitable platform, you need to register by providing your personal information and verifying your student status. This verification is usually done through your official school email address or by uploading relevant documents like a student ID card or enrollment letter. After successfully verifying your student status, the platform will provide you with either a discount code or a special link. This code or link is unique and time sensitive, and it's what enables you to access the student discount. Finally, when you're ready to make a purchase on Flipkart, go through the usual checkout process. At the payment or promo code section, enter the discount code or use the provided link to activate the offer. Once applied, the student discount should be reflected in your total bill. This process allows students to enjoy savings on a wide range of products simply by confirming their educational status.